All right, here is our second video to complete your solving equations notes on page 26 of your interactive notebook. Now, I gave you another page that says inverse operations, and so here we go. So for addition, so I'm going to put the addition symbol and I'll write addition. The inverse operation of addition, if you haven't already guessed it, is subtraction. If I have multiplication, which would be the bullet operator, or A times B, the inverse is division. Which would be A over B. Make that look a little bit more like a B. Now, if I square a number, which you might see it recognizes this, the inverse operation is the square root, which is something that we did just a little while back. So that would look like that with the radical symbol. So that gets the top part of that sheet filled out. Now we go the bottom part. So to recognize addition, we look for a positive number by itself. Which would look like x plus 3. There it is right there. Is our positive number by itself. Or it could look like this. 3 plus x. Sorry about that. And there it is. So that's recognizing addition. Now let me grab a different color here. And we'll look at recognizing subtraction. COG. To recognize subtraction, and that's barely recognizable as the word recognize, a term with a negative sign in front. That's one way to recognize it. So if I had x minus b, there he is. Or negative b plus x, well, there he is. So that would be recognizing subtraction. And then if I recognize multiplication, so let's grab a different color. Recognizing multiplication, it's a number plus a variable that are side by side. A number plus a variable side by side, so that would be like this. So there we go, bx. So both of those are numbers and they're side by side. So there we go. That gets that part finished. So then you've got your notes finished to be able to walk into class. We're actually taping those, as I mentioned in the earlier video, in your notebook so that they can flip up, because we have some other things we're going to put underneath there in class, some actual examples that you would be doing on your assignment that you'll be working in class. All right. Have this tomorrow for an easy 100. See you then.